Hello, good day. Today is a blissful day. We are happy here and we have a very productive time with this mga agriculturists sa Sugod, sa Department of Agriculture sa atong Municipality of Sugod, headed by Sir Jojo Abihay, Sir Alvin Kalimbas, Ma'am Mapil, Sir Patrick, si Sir Alvin Velasco, si Sir Francis, si Ma'am Bia, si Sir oh. So happy kaadto ko ron nga nakabisita sila dinhi sa atong farm. So kanindot ani nga higayon. So for me dako na ning achievement na ho. Pasalamat ko sa Ginoo. Ug daghang salamat ninyo sir and ma'am for giving time to visit Victoria's farm. So daghan ko nakamauhan ron mga technical assistance. So we are given technical assistance to improve how to develop and the aesthetic side. So daghan kadto kung nakamauhan nila sir karon. So hopefully ma-achieve na to atong goal and objectives. Na po nag-tractor sa atong basak.